Yo, welcome back once again, everyone. You are highly welcome. The name still remains Tech. Now, I made a video of how to make money online with a platform called Sina Rancher, and this Sina Rancher is a platform created by a company of an animal husbandry. As I said, an animal husbandry is the cultivation of crops or rearing of animals, such as plants and other animals, like cultivating them. And you know, when you are cultivating crops is when you are planting crops. Anything that you plant is a crop, and rearing of animals. So they came out with this, especially based on the animal side, as a platform that you have to learn something about animals and you earn money. So I made of how to register the account, and now I'm to talk about how you can earn money and withdraw it out from this platform. And if you know you are now watching this video and you never watched the first one, check in the description. There is a link to the first video. You go and watch it and create your account, and come back, watch this one, and you learn how to make money. So when you finish creating your account, this is how the dashboard will look like. Looking at the interface of this website, it's like on top there is an image of 3 cows, and the right on top Cine Rancher, which is Cine Ranch. So when you come down, we have questionnaire, invite, profile, company, recharge, withdraw, my ranch, animal. When you come down here, we said hot news, buy tax, and invite tax. So these are what we are going to use to earn the money here. So looking at the down part of it, we have home, rancher, animal, and mine. So we'll start from the home. The home, which is the questionnaire, is where you ask. When you tap on the questionnaire, it's a survey to ask you what is your favorite animal. So I choose rabbit as my favorite animal. Among other animals, here is rabbit I choose. So we have goose, rabbit, sheep, pig, and sika deer. So I choose a rabbit as my favorite animal. These are the animal that they are selling that you will buy, and they'll generate you a token when you feed it off every day, and the feeding you give, they'll give you the money of that feed. And we have a way you can make money from this freely, and that is what we are ongoing. I'll teach you everything. So that's what the questionnaire is. Now invite, we will not talk about the invite now. We'll come and talk about it at the last part. Now we talk about profit. The profit here, they said elementary tax after successful registration. After successful registration, you can receive a free turtle as a reward at the ranch. Click nature and you will get 1 Ghana cedis every day. Ranch daily income. The ranch daily income is derived from the estimated selling price of the animal, and the animal is distributed to the rancher each day in a proportion of the estimating selling price. If you can read, if you want to understand everything, you come down. They say when you are successfully purchasing a good, so this is when you are purchasing an animal. You know, some of this platform like this, you have to purchase the animal. Purchase an animal means to buy it with some little amount of money that they will be generating income for you. Like you buy something and you also use that thing to work and earn money from it. That's how it is. So that is what. So we'll go back again. We'll now talk about the company. This is what the company is about. Sina Rancher is a livestock branding managed co limited, was established in France. So on April 25th, 2000, it is located at 430 Dunawawa. When you read down, you get all this. There is no time. This is their business certificate that they use for this work, and this is their building. So you go back again, and now we have recharge. Recharge is when you are to recharge money into this platform and use it to purchase an animal that will generate more money for you. And if you know you are not recharging and you don't want to purchase to, you stay along till we pass here. So I'm going to show those who are ready to recharge. So type on the recharge, and this is how you are going to recharge into your account. What you have to do is, we have the recharge amount. The least animal is 40 cedis. So the least recharge you can purchase is 40 cedis above. So when you type in here, we have 40 cedis, 120, 500, 800, 3005. We have the 3005 here. We have which is 14,000, and the other amount, if you want, you can put the other amount, any amount you want to recharge inside. So that is to you. So let's say I'm recharging 40 cedis. So my current balance is 1 cedi. For just registering this, I earn 1 cedi for a daily. So I'll use mobile money, so or USDT, anything you want. I'm using mobile money, so I'm in Ghana, I'm using more money. You just type on recharge. Now this will direct you to where you are going to recharge this money to. It is loading. We should wait small. Now it will change this interface to a different interface. They'll give you a number and everything. Which one do you want to use, Voda or MTN? Let me use MTN. So I'll press OK. So you now copy this. These are the receipt where you are going to. This is the number, the amount, and the reference you are going to use. So you copy everything. This is what you are going to use. You know, when you are sending more money, they always say refer. This is the referral you're going to use. That they will use that same referral to deposit the money into your account. Make sure you follow this correctly. So they said receive. This is the name, the recipient, the bank name, which is the MTN Momo. Now the account number is this. The amount is 40 cedis. The reference, when you are sending money, after you enter the amount, they ask you to enter reference. So this is what you just copy and paste it there. When you paste it and you finish, they say please copy the recipient address, referral once, and the amount. So this is what it is. Just read this and follow the guidance. But the main this thing is this, the one on top. Copy the number well and the reference, so they'll debit the money into your account. Now when the money arrives, you are going to purchase an animal. So this is what you are going to do. So we are going back in the interface of this. So we'll purchase an animal. So you then go back and refresh. Now to see that your money is in, you have to go to mine. When you type on this mine, see where there's said total income here at the left hand side, total income. That's where your money will arrive. So you now come back to home and now set animal. So you now go to this animal you are about to rent or buy or purchase an animal. They say buy, so we only buy 40 cedis or we recharge 40 cedis. So you just type on this one and you confirm like this. Because the 40 cedis say failed because there's no money. When the 40 cedis in your account, it will just say successfully. So when you are successfully purchase this animal, this is what you have to do to earn. You have to go to Rancher. Now when you type on this Rancher, you are going to feed the animal you bought. In of this, the free one, they have given us a tortoise. This tortoise is going to work for 2 days, 3 days. So we are going to feed this tortoise for 6 days. I already fed mine for one. So this is it. The one cedi they have given me, I have this. So they will now bring the animal you purchase here. You fed the one they have given to you free and the one you have purchased. So you just type on this nature like this. And you fed them. Now you say animal has been fed, so I have fed it already. That's it. So when you fed it, they'll give you a 2 cedi to buy in this 40 cedis range. So that's how we are going to make money here. Now to go back to the home, now withdrawal. After then I'll show you how you withdraw. My rancher is where this same rancher here. My animal is where you are going to purchase the animal. You can comment under newses and they'll give you coins that you can exchange into money. So now we are going to talk about the invite. Now type on the invite tax. When you type on this invite tax, it will come to this place. They will tell you to receive a tax. This is a tax you have to receive. This tax appears in many times. They say tax steps. Receive one, tax rules. These are the rules you share what you are going to use the tax for. Because I have already used my link and make this video, so it is already in mine. That's why they have told me to receive it. So when you type this, you receive your link again. They said successfully. So I will then go back to novice tax. Now we are going to talk about the referral listing. So you type of mine. When you go to mine, you have to refer someone to join this program. So to refer someone to join this program, you have to check in and go to your referral link. And then after getting your referral link, you copy the referral link and paste it to anywhere, whether social media or whatever you want to use it. And then when someone uses your link to register, you get a commission of 1 cedi. That's how it is. You get a commission of what? 1 cedi. So on top, when you go to home, they said invite. When you type on this invite, this is it. Invite a rancher reward. About invitation rancher reward. Click the invitation link and the system will automatically copy it. Then find a friend you want to invite through social software. Press and hold the message box, select, paste it at wherever you wanted it. After a new user, this is so you know how you can refer people. This is what is it. So account, you can immediately receive 1 cedi reward when you successfully invite a subordinate to become a ghost rancher. You will receive this. So when someone just use your link to register, you get 1 cedi. As the way I get 1 cedi already when registering this account. So the 4 Ghana cedis plus the 3 cedis when someone purchase, when the person purchase, you earn that one too as a commission. So this is the link down here with the red color. So you just type on it, automatically it will be coded, say successfully copied. You see it. So you then go to any of the social media platform or your WhatsApp or wherever it is and now paste it. So this is how you can earn money. So to withdraw your money, you have to go to my days and you now go to my wallet and put in your wallet. So you at top here, if you're in Ghana, you use more money. In any of the other countries, you can use your USDT, which is the trust USDT TRC 20. That's the trust wallet in USDT that we are going to use. Sorry, the TRS wallet in USDT that we are going to use to receive. So that's your wallet, this thing you will use. For us, we who are in Ghana, we are using mobile money. So you just type on add. So in adding this, you choose your mobile money. It's mobile money. So we are using mobile money. Now you come here, you enter your name and your number. It's either you want to use Voda, ABSA Bank, Access Bank, or whatever bank you want to use, but I prefer the Ghanaians to use mobile money. So this is how you're going. After then you press confirm. When you confirm it, you then go back. After you go back, you are going to create your password. Type on this password. We have Rodua password and login password. You can change your login password and your Rodua password at any time. When you type on the password like this, you enter and save it. So you, if you are, because I'm already having, say enter the old one and enter the new one. I'm to change it. So that's it. So if I don't want to change it, I will then go back. Now if you are the new one, they'll ask you to enter and save it. After you finish saving, you come to home again and type on withdrawal. Now you type it here because my number is already there. It will confirm like this. You enter amount you want to withdraw and the password. So your current balance will show here the amount of money you use. And what you have to know is there is a service charge. They'll charge you 7% for your withdrawal, which Ghana we know as the e-levy or whatever levy is it. That's a tax in it for withdrawal. Everything about this is what I talk now. So thank you for always being in my videos and you are highly welcome.